history shows what I have been doing for a couple of days, for past like 1 month. If I put this filter in 1 month, let me put it in 1 month and I confirm, I will see some couple of trades which I have been operating. For example, in this trade of WorldCoin Perpetual SatX as my leverage short end time, you are seeing I made $1.56 in just 19 minutes. So the second is Litecoin. It is Litecoin USDT Perpetual used a leverage of 50x neutral. Then end time, you are seeing everything I made $0.54. So when I continue downwards, this is XRP Perpetual. I made 7.77 USDT. This is 7.77 USDT. Running time, let me remove this and you see running time, it only ran for 7 days, 4 hours and 5 minutes. So when you see on this total investment, I invested only $40, and in this video, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you how you can set your Binance robots, and you get profits. In this video, I want to show you how you can set your Binance futures robot and you get profits. But before going far, if you like this content, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell such that you get notified when I upload new video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Binance account which we are going to use in setting our robots. So this is our Binance account. When we try to open it, I will click on it and it will display a platform like this. This is the home page of Binance account. It is showing us Binance Academy. There is Launchpad, there is Card, there is Buy Crypto, there is Recurring, there is more. There is the ones which are displayed here. We are seeing some coins and their percentage gain or percentage drop. So I'm not passing through it, but I want to show you how you can access Binance robots. So if you want to access Binance robots, you can either tap on this more. When you tap on this more, and you scroll downwards, you will see where Binance robots are. Binance robots, for example, this is what we call by trading robots. When you click on trading robots, Binance robots will be displayed. When we try to click on trading robots, let us tap on it. We are seeing what we call spot grid. This is the one called spot grid. We are seeing this one called futures grid. We are seeing this one called spot dollar cost averaging. We are seeing this one called rebalancing bot. But in today's video specifically, we are going for Binance futures grid. And in next video, I will do for you a video about Binance spot grid. But for me, I like Binance futures grid. So for Binance futures grid, you just tap on it. When you tap on it like this, it is opening a platform like this. It is displaying for us something like this. And by default, it is selecting for us. Now let me first explain what is displayed here. What is displayed here? The first one is this one here. This is the first one. It is so-called Doge USDT Perpetual, and it is called a trading pair. It means you are trading Doge using USDT. So this one here, it is a percentage gain. You see, in the past 24 hours, Doge have gained value by 2.09%. Yeah, in the last 24 hours, Doge has gained the value by 2.09%. So, and what is this? This one is so-called the chart. If you are a person who like looking at the chart, you click on these two candlesticks. This is what we call auto. This is popular. This is manual. So let me explain step by step on the meaning of auto, popular, and manual. So for auto, when you tap on auto, it means this thing will be automatic. It means it will be automatic. So we are seeing that it is displaying for us neutral. It is displaying for us neutral. There is long, there is short. It will set your robot to work in neutral. It means you are predicting that the price will be consolidating about one position. It means prices will not go bullish and they will not go bearish. It means they will be consolidating about a fixed point. For example, I may use this Doge. Doge has, when you try to look at the chart, by clicking these two candlestick patterns, let us click there. Doge has been consolidating. That's why I was using it as my trading pair. But by now, from this amount here, you see Doge, before making these high highs and what, Doge has been consolidating about a fixed point. So when I try to do like this, when I try to go this side, I'm seeing Doge has been trading right away from 0.06162 to, I'm seeing I'm waiting for a high which is 0.06256, meaning Doge has been consolidating at a specific point, meaning a bot which enables someone to trade consolidating prices. Those guys made some money. They made some money. So when we continue and I explain long, this is long. It means you're predicting your prices to move in a bullish movement. It means you will only benefit when prices are moving upwards. And when you set your robot to work with short, it means you are predicting prices to move downwards, and you will only make money when prices are moving downwards. So let us rush. We are seeing this one. The first one is parameters. So for parameters, you can either set, let us tap on parameters and we see what will be displayed. They said recommended parameters are automatically generated based on technical analysis and of the simple price details. It means when you use auto, all parameters will be generated by the bot. There is nothing big which you will do. So for time period, let us first deal with time period. For time period, this is what we call time period. You can run your bot for 7 days, for 30 days, and 180 days. So for price range, they said they are predicting first deal with 7 days time period. So when we tap on 7-day time period, this bot is predicting that this robot will be running in this price range. It will start with 0.06098 up to 0.06603. So when you use auto 7 days, it means it will automatically choose for you price range of 0.06098 to 0.06603. So number of grids is 23. Then profit per grid is 0.29 up to 0.31. Asset mode, it is single asset mode. Then position mode, it is one way. Everything here you are seeing, they will be set by the robot. For you have nothing to do. It's completely nothing. So if you want to invest, they are saying if you use these parameters provided by the bot, your minimum investment, if you use these parameters provided by the bot, your minimum investment will be $3.13. If you don't have your dollars on futures account, on your futures wallet, you click on transfer here. You transfer from your, maybe where you have, you transfer dollars from where they are to your futures wallet. For example, for me here, you are seeing I'm having 2.12. So when I click on max, I'm transferring from my spot wallet to my futures wallet. When I click on max here and I click confirm, my dollars, my USDT will be displayed here. This is my USDT. So when I do this, I can now run this robot. But they are saying the minimum investment is $3.13. But what can I do? I can reduce these dollars by increasing the leverage. So let me first increase this leverage from 50. I increase it to 75. I make the maximum leverage for Doge. When I make it 75, I see now these dollars, I see the minimum investment of this bot is now 2.09. So for 2.09, now I can run this robot by, I can use available dollars to run this robot. So but for me today, I don't want to run a single robot. But if I click on adding the price and I put $2.12, that means the quantity per order, it is 83 Doge. Total investment 159. Asset mode, I'm seeing cross. Anyway, but let us first go to leverage. I want to explain for you something about leverage. So for this leverage, it means you are leveraging your bot. To work. You are giving it enough capital. So you are seeing there is 1x, there is 15x, there is 30x, there is 45x, there is 60x, there is 75. So when you use something like 15x, it means that your total investment, for example, if you want to invest like 10 USDT in a certain bot and you use 15 leverage, it means your total investment will be 15 times your USDT that you are willing to use. For example, if you are willing to use $10 and you multiply $10 by 15, it means you will get like $150. So $150 are the ones which a robot will use to trade. But but you should know that you are trading on a certain leverage. Anytime they can liquidate your account. When you increase your leverage, your account will be liquidated and you make some losses. So even this robot, it can make losses, but it can minimize your losses. So let us confirm. By confirming now, you can create easily. You can create this robot if you want. But for me, specifically in this video, I don't want to create any video. But when you, I don't want to create any bot. But when you click on this create neutral, then you can create it. So when we try to go back, even this long, it is the same thing that you will do, but it means, but for it, you are predicting the price to go bullish only. This short, it means you are predicting prices to move downwards, not upwards. It means you will only benefit if prices are moving downwards. So in this video, I even want to show you my past performance, how I have been using Binance robots to get profits. So when I click here on all orders, this one here on all orders, let me click there. When I click here, I see running, then history. I'm seeing spot grid and futures grid, but for me, as I have told you, I have been using futures grid. So if I try to click here in history, this bots or this history shows what I have been doing for a couple of days, for past like 1 month. If I put this filter in 1 month, let me put it in 1 month and I confirm, I will see some couple of trades which I have been operating. For example, in this trade called in this trade of WorldCoin Perpetual SatX as my leverage short end time, you are seeing I made $1.56 in just 19 minutes. So the second is Litecoin. It is Litecoin USDT Perpetual used a leverage of 50x neutral. Then end time, you are seeing everything. I made $0.54. So when I continue downwards, this is XRP Perpetual. I made 7.77 USDT. This is 7.77 USDT. One running time, let me remove this and you see running time, it only ran for 7 days, 4 hours and 5 minutes. So when you see on this total investment, I invested only $40 and in 3 days I made $7.77. Continue perusing through. This is what we call Ethereum Perpetual. I made $1 and I made 1.14 USDT in 19 minutes. Let me see clearly, in 19 hours and 48 minutes. So when you try to move downwards, this is BTC USDT. I made 1.09 USDT. When you move downwards, this is Doge USDT. I made $3.50 in 1 day. When you move downwards, this one was cancelled and this one was also cancelled for some specific reasons. So when you go downwards, you see this is Ethereum. I made $2.02. So guys, this is real. If you like this kind of content, please do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit notification bell such that you get notified when I upload a new video. Peace.